As I'm sure you know, there are thousands and thousands of phrasal verbs in English. One phrasal verb may have many different meanings. But today we are going to focus on phrasal verbs for dating, love, and romance. Remember, phrasal verbs are a fantastic way to increase your vocabulary. They are super flexible and you can use them in any tense. Present simple, future simple, past, present perfect, anything. Check someone out. When you check someone out, it means you are flirting with your eyes.
Cigarette?
Oh no, thanks, I don't smoke.
Coquetear con tus ojos. You could look someone up and down, up and down. Okay, for example, that guy over there is checking you out. Chat someone up, come on to someone. These phrasal verbs are synonyms for flirting with your words.
Yes, I heard you're a big flirt, and I like flirting.
I really didn't want to do any more talk shows, but my publicist sent me some tapes of you, and then I developed a small crush. And so I thought...
Coquetear con palabras. For example, Benjamin chatted me up. Or, yesterday, Benjamin came onto me. Ask out. This is an invitation to go on a date, una cita. For example, yesterday he asked me out on a date.
You didn't ask her out.
Turn down. This is to reject an invitation or an offer.
You're gonna turn me down?
Offer. This is not necessarily in a romantic context, but we are talking about dating. Okay, for example, he asked me out on a date and I turned him down. Go out. To go on a date with someone.
Going on a date.
This can be used with the word with and someone, or it can be only go out. For example, on Saturday I'm going out with Benjamin. Or on Saturday night we're going out. Hit it off. When there is an instant chemistry or connection between two people.
Hit it off at karaoke.
This can be platonic, sexual, or romantic. For example, they really hit it off on Friday nights. Come over. To invite somebody to your house. Again, this depends on the context. It can be sexual, romantic, or platonic. For example, are you busy? Do you want to come over?
Just come over.
Stay over. To invite someone to sleep at your house. Again, platonic or sexual. It depends on the situation. For example, if my boyfriend asks me to stay over and I say yes.
Ethan, stay over, Maddie.
Make out. Oof, when you make out with a person, it means you kiss them.
Kiss me.
Kiss them for a long time, intensely, with passion. Okay, and usually some tongue. Versus a peck. A peck is a very fast kiss. Así. Okay, for example, yesterday I went to his house and we made out. He's a good kisser.
And we made out for hours.
I'm going to interrupt this video for one moment to remind you to visit our website for more information on our classes. We offer group and individual classes with native speakers who are flexible to your schedule. See you there. Hook up. Hooking up means something different to every person.
Meet somewhere.
Hook up. Not hook up.
It includes all sexual activities. So if your friend tells you, "Oh, I need to tell you something. I hooked up with my cousin's best friend." You need to ask your friend some clarification questions. Fall for. To fall in love with someone. For example, "She's perfect. I think I'm falling for her."
To fall for men that don't fall for me.
Break up. To end a romantic relationship. Not so romantic. For example, did you hear? They had a massive fight and they broke up.
She broke up with me.
Move on or get over someone.
You need to move on.
After breaking up, if you decide that you don't want to be in a relationship with a person anymore, you can make a personal decision to move on or get over your ex. For example, "Anna and I are not good together. I need to move on." Or, "I have to get over her." Make up or get back together.
You want to get back together?
These phrasal verbs are used when a couple breaks up, but they decide to reconcile and be a couple again. For example, "Yeah, so we decided that we still love each other, so we made up." Or, "We got back together."
We can get back together.
Settle down. Settle down is used when you are in a relationship that is serious enough that you decide to take your relationship to the next level. This could mean moving in together, adopting a cat or a dog together, maybe getting married, or even having children. For example, Finally, my son decided to settle down with his girlfriend.
Settle down with someday.
Now that you have a better understanding of phrasal verbs for dating, let's put everything together into one story. Are you ready? I'm going to tell you the story of how I met Juan. I met him at a bar in 2017. I was with my friends and I could feel him checking me out. He came on to me eventually and then he asked me out. But I wasn't sure that I liked him, so I turned him down. Well, we continued talking and we hit it off really well. So when he asked me out again, I accepted. For our first date, we went to my favorite club and we danced all night. And we made out. I'm not gonna lie, he is a great kisser. When the club was closing, he walked me to my house and I invited him to come over. Well, long story short, we hooked up that night. We started dating and we fell for each other quickly and intensely. I think that was a mistake because we broke up soon after that and I had to make the personal decision. Do I move on or should we get back together? Well, I thought about it and I thought about it and I decided that Juan is the love of my life. And so we settled down together and now we are really happy. Well, now you have 16 phrasal verbs for dating. Please do like this video and subscribe, but more importantly, comment below with your dating stories using the phrasal verbs from today. See you in the comment section.